Okay, so for tonight's homework, we are working on problems 10 through 12. Remember, for the natural log, these are going to be technically base e. So when we do that snail method, we'll start with that base of e. And so we'll end up with e to the negative 2 equals 5x plus 3. We'll subtract the 3 over. We'll have e to the negative 2 minus 3 equals 5x. And so we'll have e to the negative 2 minus 3 divided by 5 equals x. For the second problem, we don't need to worry about logs because we have the same, all three numbers can go to the same base. So we'll rewrite these all as a 4 to whatever power. So 4 squared, 2x squared, times 4 to the 4x equals 4 to the third. We'll add our exponents together for these, so we'll have 4 to the 4x squared plus 4x equals 4 to the third. Now, because we have the same base on both sides, we can just set the exponents equal to each other. We'll bring that 3 over, so we can set it all equal to 0. Factor this, and we'll have 2x plus 3, 2x minus 1. Set them both equal to 0, and we'll have x can be negative 3/2, or x can be 1/2. And for this last one, we're going to start out by dividing the whole thing by 3 to get the natural log by itself. Now remember again, natural log has that imaginary e. Do our snail method, and we'll have this e to the 1/3 equals 5x minus 2. When we add the 2 over and divide by 5, we'll have e to the 1/3 plus 2 divided by 5 equals x. And that is tonight's homework. If you have any questions on this, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a good night and see you guys tomorrow.